Hello, consumer. This week we're doing 14.4 and 14.5. Both are about different kinds of cash discounts. So in this lesson, we're doing ordinary dating. Here's some vocab we have right away. We have invoice, which is an itemized list of quantities and costs of items purchased. We have cash discount, a discount granted by a supplier if a bill is paid within a certain number of days, used to encourage prompt payment. Ordinary dating, when the terms of payment on an invoice from a supplier grants a cash discount if a bill is paid within a certain number of days. So you'll see this written two different ways. They're very similar though. You could have 2/10 net 30, where 2 is the percent of cash discount. The 10 is that discount's only available 10 days from when this invoice was issued. And then 30 is when the net price has to be paid. So within 30 days of this invoice. And the numbers mean the exact same thing over here. They just look a little bit different with the N. So you have a couple of formulas. Your cash discount just going to be your net price times your cash discount rate. Your cash price will be net price times complement of cash discount rate. And that's just another way of doing stuff. And then you have net price minus cash discount. And really, this one should have been probably put right here. Makes a little bit more sense because you need to do these two together to get the answer, or else you can just do this middle one. So let's take a look at 11, and this is number 11 from your assignment. So the net price for hardware is $6,715.80. The terms are for 10 and 30, okay? Which means 4% discount is given if paid within 10 days of the invoice, and then the net is due at 30 days after the date of the invoice. So the data invoice is October 7th, and they paid it October 14th. So determine the last date to take the cash discount. Well, that's going to be 10 days after it was issued on the 7th. So the last date would be October 10th. 17th. The last day to pay the invoice is 30 days after October 7th. Well, that would bring us into November. There's 31 days in October, so the last day to pay the invoice will actually be November 6th. The cash discount is 4% times your $6,715.80. So I'll just write that right here. My 6 is all wonky, which is $268.63. Okay, the cash price then is going to be the net price minus the discount. So you're going to take your $6,715.80 and subtract your $268.63. You should get $6,447.17. And then cash price using the complement method, well, you should get the exact same thing you got in D, but it's just another way of doing it. So you could take your $6,715.80 and multiply it by 96% right away. Yeah. Instead of multiplying it by 4% and then subtracting it. So it's just doing the one-step complement method. So you do get the exact same number, 6,447.17. Okay, that's it for this lesson.